Here's example 6. They're asking us to find the area after plotting the vertices A at 2, 5, B at 2, 8, and C at 5, 8. Graph the figure and classify it, then find the area. So once we graph it, we'll be able to identify the figure, which should tell us the formula that we can use to find the area. So let's go ahead. In the previous example, our shape was already drawn and it was on grid paper, but now we have a coordinate plane. We will plot the points and go ahead and find the area. So let's start with point A. Point A is at 2, 5. So again, this is my x-axis, this is my y-axis. X coordinate is at 2, y coordinate is at 5. So I go 2 on the x-axis, then I go up 5 on the y-axis, and that's my point A. Point B is located at 2, 8. So I go to 2 on the x-axis, go up 8 on the y, and that is my point B. And finally, point C at 5, 8. So just by looking at the problem, you should already be able to tell what type of figure this is going to be because it only has 3 points, which means this figure only has 3 sides, and we only really know one figure with 3 sides, right? And that would be a triangle. So after I'm done graphing the points on the coordinate plane, I connect them, and there you go, we have our triangle. So next step is to write down the area formula for triangle and go ahead and substitute in the values for the side lengths, and by doing so we should be able to find our area. So let's go ahead to figure out our base and height. Now I can see the 90-degree angle is located right here, so I could use the base and the height, or base and the height. It doesn't really matter because we're multiplying them. So I'm going to name this side my base, and height is how tall it is anyway, so I'm gonna use this as my height, okay? So the base is 1, 2, and 3 units because it starts here, ends here, and I have 3 squares in between. And to find my height, I go down from B to A, so it's 1, 2, and 3. That's also 3 units. So the 2 lengths are the same. And now I'm gonna replace B with 3. BH means B times H. We know it's base times height divided by 2. Height would be also 3 units. And once I multiply, I can move on and divide by 2. 3 times 3 is 9. And 9 divided by 2 would give you 4 and 5/10. And since we're talking about area, it would be square units. So the area of the triangle ABC, area of triangle ABC is equal to, oh, I already have the equal sign. It's 4.5 square units.